Hey guys, this is Henry from OBEDIA again. Today we're going to be learning how to modify the audio event volume in Studio One. So we've talked about volume before, right? And we know that there are several ways we can either lower the volume or increase the volume of a certain track. The easiest way of doing that is playing with the fader. You know where the fader is in your mix view or your mix tab. You could also play with your inserts gains, and that'll in fact either raise or reduce, either increase or decrease the perceived loudness, the volume that you're listening to, right? Now, that's all track dependent. That's just applied to the actual track, okay? Studio One lets you also play with the volume of the actual audio event, and this is something that happens before the inserts and obviously before the fader. Okay, it's your very first gain stage after you have recorded. So you could say it's your very first gain stage when mixing. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, if you click on your audio event, as soon as you've clicked on it, it gets highlighted. Right in the middle of the audio event, you're going to find this little square. It's a little blue square, light blue square. If you click on it and drag it down, you can see it says minus 3.5, minus 4.9. That's minus 4.9 dBs. So we're decreasing the level of the actual audio event way before it hits the fader and before it hits the first insert, okay? So you can either reduce that volume and you can see the waveform is actually getting smaller, or you could increase it. You could go up positive numbers, right? So you could do plus 5.2 dBs. You're basically boosting it, okay? So let's try to reduce the level. And you can see it can go all the way down to minus 40. That I guess you can't even listen to that, and you can go all the way up to plus 24. That's super loud. Now, another cool feature about these is that you can, let's say you want to slice this event. Want to slice it? Now I have two events. So now they have two different event volumes. So if I click on the right one and let's say I crank it down, minus 8.2, and then the left one, I'll push it up. 3.8 dBs. If we press play, you're going to listen to the first clip being boosted, and then when the playback hits the start of the second clip, it's gonna be very obvious. Okay, you're gonna hear the reduction in the actual perceived loudness. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so you get the idea. It was actually so loud that it was clipping. You could probably hear it clipping too. And then when it hit the start of the second audio event, you could hear it was very obvious, right? The reduction in perceived loudness. So that's how you play and that's how you modify the audio event volume in Studio One. If you have any other questions, please call us from OBEDIA at 615-933-6775. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.